Aaron? You seen John? Pilot says he's ready to head back down.
So am I. Would you like a lift in my prowler?
Go for it, Jack. She's the best pilot I've ever seen. Think you can manage a side trip to the moon?
I think I can do better than that.
Saturn. I'm really looking at Saturn. I'm farther from Earth than any human's ever been.
Actually, no.
Yeah. I guess my son does have a few miles on me.
He must be happy to be back on Earth, though.
I don't know. He's having a tough time readjusting. He hasn't talked much about what he's been through.
Not even about his shipmates.
No, he's talked about your societies, customs. Remarkable stuff.
He thinks that your species and mine might somehow be linked.
Our geneticists are still looking at that. But I wouldn't be surprised. If I didn't know better, I'd think you were human.
I'm not.
Do you wish you were?
Why do you ask?
You have feelings for John, don't you?
Does that shock you?
No. I suppose it might if I thought of you as an alien life form, but I don't. John has not said anything to me, but I believe he has feelings for you, too.
He did. Now
Now he's home. That's one of the things he's gonna have to sort out. Just give him time.